Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandal in the City. I want to wish everybody a happy Mother's Day. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be items you can pick up for your mom anywhere from gardening, perfume, Louis Vuitton, Bandeaus, makeup, nail polish. So if you're interested guys, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching. Couple ideas guys before we get started, things you don't have to pay for. Why not take a cozy blanket and take your mom out to the park where you can enjoy her favorite vegetables, cut up fruit, her favorite drink, take lots of photos, sit on the grass and spend time with each other just making a memory. What about going for a walk on the beach, getting her favorite coffee, her favorite tea, maybe an ice cream, standing there enjoying the sun, taking in the views, and appreciating her for the person that she is. What about putting a basket together with her favorite books, her favorite magazines, some tea, some cookies, maybe hand cream, some chocolate, some treats, and wrap it all up for her. She'd probably enjoy that. Another idea, guys, is putting together a foot care basket with some foot scrubs, a foot brush, a Puma stone, and some of her favorite soaps, and maybe a comfy pair of socks for her to put on. Her feet would enjoy the socks after having her pedicure done. Something different to give your mom for Mother's Day if she's a gardener. What about some gloves, some gardening gloves, gardening tools, even packages of seeds that she can plant in the garden, and when they grow, every time she looks at them, she's reminded of you. You can pick most of these items up at Walmart or even the dollar store plus. Gather them all up, put them in a basket, wrap it all up, and present it to her. Here's some of the gardening tools and the bag that you can put them in so she can carry them around with her so they're not all over the place. So guys, this is another option you can get your mom for Mother's Day if she loves nail polish. Starting off at the low end of the spectrum, which is extremely affordable. These ones I picked up at Walmart. They start at $1.99 here in Canada. You can see that there is lots of colors. This is just a few of my own. And I picked up some of these at dollar store. It's a Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. You can pick them up with some emery boards, some nail polish remover, some cotton pads, put them all in a box, wrap them up with a ribbon. It'd be really nice as a gift as well. And these ones I picked up, like I said, for $1.25. They come in a variety of colors. There's even glitter, which is really nice. There is clear polishes, some extreme glittered, which is one of my favorite. So you can see that there is a large choice. They come in any color of reds, light colors, blues, purples. So go have a look, guys, if this is within your budget. These are the new plant-based polishes by Sally Hansen as well. There's 30 shades. They're 100% vegan, natural plant-based brush, cruelty-free. They are about $5.99, sold here in Canada at Shoppers Drug Mart, London Drugs, and Walmart. And still keeping in that theme of nail polish, guys, you can go up and pick OPI, which is your next level up in regards to price point. They come in a variety of beautiful colors as well, glitters, special editions, different collections. This one here is the Scottish collection, but you can see all the different glitters in green, gold, small flaked, large flaked. There's some plain gold polish there, some taupes, light taupes, some gold, some silver, more of the large chunky glitters there, which you can wear over top. There's some darker colors for fall. There are just a large variety of selections in their nail polishes. So I thought I would show you this collection of OPI. If that's what your mom likes, you can pick these up. They're gorgeous colors. Back to the nail polish theme, guys. We're almost done. These ones are by Revlon. It's the Ultra HD Snap polish. They come in 20 different colors. States they're 100% vegan, and they're $7.50 per bottle. They do come in some summer colors, some dark fall colors. They're just gorgeous colors all around, guys. Go pick these up for your mom. So guys, here is the second to last Chanel polish that you can pick up for your mom as well. They do have variety of colors. Look at the yellow and the orange and the green, just perfect for summertime. I've only got a couple here, but there is quite a few colors to choose from in this selection. Here's a closer look, guys. They are just stunning. So you could do a gift basket up for your mom. Some other things you can include in that gift basket as you're putting it together is some nail polish remover, some cotton balls to remove it, a file, some toe spreaders, a glass nail file, a fashion file, as well as some nail clippers and another glittered emery board. Put it all together, guys, in a big basket with some foot lotion. It'd be an amazing gift. Some more Mother's Day gift ideas, guys. Stuff from Tiffany's. This bracelet here with the multiple hearts, I believe is 700 Canadian in sterling silver. These ones start at $250 sterling silver. Earrings $250. They need a good cleaning. Can always buy their leather goods. I'm not sure if they're still selling this one. And also fragrances. Here's another gift idea, guys. Fragrance is always number one on the list from our sons as well as our daughters. This first one here, Versace Crystal Noir, was given to me by my mom at Christmas time. And with fragrances, every time you wear it, you can always remember who gave it to you and when. Gucci's another very soft one. A few from Cartier. Just love this fragrance. The bottles are amazing. Something from Hermes as well. Couple more fragrances for Mother's Day, guys, which are really hot buys. Anything from Tiffany & Co. fragrance. Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. The Chanel Coco here, my son had given me. So every time I wear it, it reminds me of him. It was from a Mother's Day gift. This is my mom's. She's passed away. It's a Vera Wang Princess. And white diamonds. So you can go from low to high in regards to prices. Every time I wear the white diamonds, it reminds me of, like I said, in San Diego. So every time you give your mother something, whether it's small, less expensive, too expensive, or as well as spending time with her, invokes a memory that she will remember for the rest of her life. You can also pick up gift sets in fragrances for your mother as well. The Chanel No. 5 was given to me by my son for Mother's Day 1 year. This one by Taylor Swift, Wonderstruck, was given to me by my daughter for Mother's Day. This one here by Salvador Ferragamo was given to me by my sister. This one was purchased as a Christmas gift. So you can see, guys, that they do come in sets as well, and they would make amazing Mother's Day gifts. So from $19.99 for this one, all the way up, guys. So fragrance is affordable as well. So guys, here's some other ideas if you want to pick up for your mother for Mother's Day. And they start at anywhere from $19 all the way up. My son had given me this one for Mother's Day. Love the colors on it. This one is from Ted Baker. The next one is from Coach. And I love the gorgeous colors on this one. Great for summer. This one was picked up at the outlet mall for, I think it was $27.99, somewhere around there. The next one is my Burberry. Pardon me for the wrinkles. I didn't have time to iron it. So I just love this one. This one I got off the site Burberry.com in their clearance section. This one I picked up for, I believe it was $97. And a couple more scarves, little, depending on where you buy them. Some say thin scarves, bandeaus, twillies. These ones are from Chanel, the first two. And these ones were $250 Canadian before the price increase. Next one is from Tiffany & Co. They no longer make this one. It is retired. This one was picked up for $250 and they are all in silk. Next is another Burberry. This one I picked up as well on the site. A few more. This one is from Hermes. I got it because of the butterfly. This one's no longer available. And then one I picked from Louis Vuitton in my collection. Limited edition Disney. And these ones run anywhere from $250, $350, somewhere around there. The last two scarves I want to show you guys for Mother's Day. If you want to go on to their site, they are a new brand that I found through a fellow YouTuber. I will link her information below. This is from Aspinall of London. 100% silk. Just love the colors, guys. So if you're thinking about getting scarves, bandeaus, they range anywhere from, like I said, $15 and up. You can go to clearance centers, Coach Clearance Center, Ted Baker Clearance Center. These you can order online. I picked these up for, I think they were 50 or 47 US dollars, and with everything that came into Canada, it was about 90 something dollars. But you can go up as far as shoes, jewelry, handbags, you know, depending on what your budget is. Can also pick up some gifts from Chanel. This little mirror, double mirror, I picked up for 40, I think it was either 40 or $45 on the site. Some blushes for around 46 Canadian. Couple lip glosses, she would probably love those, as well as some soaps. You could throw all those together in a little gift bag just to give you some more ideas. Another great Mother's Day gift is something from Dior, which is very reasonable. Some lip balm, some lip maximizer, and sometimes these two will come in a kit. So if you look online, you can find them in a kit at sometimes at thebay.com or go on to dior.com. And a couple blushes here. You can never go wrong with blush, and I find these ones to be my favorite out of any of the blushes that I have, either high end or low end. I love the powder, I love the consistency, I love the way they go on because I have mature skin. So there's a couple more ideas, guys, from Dior. And you can throw together in a little gift basket different types of mascaras, eyebrow pencils, stuff from Dior. You can make up your own little kits yourself. Doesn't have to be expensive. Just pick up a few little items, go to the dollar store, pick up a box or a little bag, some foil wrap, and make a homemade card. You can throw everything together. These little kits from Dior are amazing. They're in Canada. They're also on the website, I think, still right now in Canada for, I think it is $40, which would make a nice Mother's Day gift. So if it's in your budget, guys, that you can afford some of these card holders or small leather goods, we've got something from Louis Vuitton, Cartier, Hermes. Coach has some really good things going on. This piece was gifted to me from Lady B. Then you've got some things from Tiffany & Co., things from Chanel, as well as a Chanel brooch. So guys, I hope some of those ideas will help you out. Like I said, you don't have to have a lot of money if you're on a budget. Go to the dollar store, you can pick up some really nice things, some nail polish, everything to put in a basket, as well as the gardening tools. Put it all in a wire basket with some seeds would be a nice gift. How about making handmade cards, sending her a voice message or a video message if you can't get together due to COVID. What about going for a walk and picking up some wild flowers? If perfume is not in your budget, you can pick up some lilacs from a lilac tree, tie them with a nice big bow and present those to her. So there's lots of ideas, guys. It's not always to do with spending a lot of money on a handbag or expensive shoes or expensive jewelry. Just appreciate your mom for what she is. That's what's important. So guys, you can see that Mother's Day does not have to be expensive. Just show your mom you love her, even giving her hugs and, you know, doing special things for her and respecting her and knowing that she is appreciated, not just on Mother's Day, but all year around. So have an amazing day, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.